Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your build and firmware support, because Hyper-V requires Windows 10 Pro/Enterprise and CPU virtualization. Open System Information and verify virtualization shows as enabled. If not, reboot into UEFI or BIOS and toggle Intel VTX or AMD Xeon. Once done, save changes and restart Windows. This step is critical because Hyper-V will not initialize without hardware support. Make sure Secure Boot is fine, then proceed to enable the Hyper-V Windows features in the next step. Now enable the Hyper-V components. Use Control Panel turn Windows features on or run PowerShell as admin with Enable Windows optional feature online feature name Microsoft Hyper-V All. After the feature installs, restart Windows so the hypervisor can load. Once Windows returns, open Hyper-V Manager, create a virtual switch for network access, and set up storage locations. Configure VM settings, assign memory, virtual processors, and attach an ISO. These steps prepare the host and network so virtual machines will boot reliably. Finish by creating a VM in Hyper-V Manager or with PowerShell New VM, attach the installation ISO, set the boot order, and start the machine to install the guest OS. After installation, add integration services or ensure VM integration components are active for time sync and drivers. If the hypervisor fails to load, check bcdedit/, set hypervisor launch type auto and reboot. Also disable device guard, credential guard, or other third-party hypervisors that conflict. That single troubleshooting tip resolves most startup issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.